Hey guys, let me show you how I made this one pot chicken and potato meal. It was very delicious, so tasty and so easy. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start off with about 4 leg and thigh. I'm then going to clean them and go ahead and wash them with some lime and vinegar. Pat those dry, and then I'm gonna add some olive oil, a drizzle of olive oil, and then I'm gonna add my powder season. Include onion powder, paprika, salt, garlic powder, ginger powder, etc. I'm gonna put it in the description box down below so you guys will be able to see the full recipe. I'm gonna ensure that I season that well. To my skillet, I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of butter. And guys, I did add some garlic powder to my butter and just mix that in and add to my pot. I'm going to then put the chicken skin side down in my skillet so that it gets a nice sear. I love the nice brown color that it gets, so that's why I'm putting the chicken skin side down. You're gonna let it sear for about 7 minutes on each side or until it's brown like this. You want it to get a nice color because I am gonna cook this in the oven. After I flip all of those over, I'm gonna get my seasoning ready. I added some onion, tomatoes, green bell pepper, thyme leaf, and garlic. You can chop these in medium size or you can chop it a bit smaller if you want. I'm then going to add my potatoes that I cut in wedge size. By the way guys, I did use about 4 potatoes. I did add a little bit of the same seasoning to my potatoes so that it would give it a nice flavor. I then added some foil paper over my skillet and I'm gonna add that in the oven at 380 degrees for 30. After 40 minutes, I'm gonna remove the foil paper and turn the oven on boil for 7 minutes for the chicken and the potatoes to get crispy. For the gravy, I added just half teaspoon of butter. I added some diced onions. Then I added about 1 teaspoon of flour. I mixed that together until it's all combined. And then the broth that I'm gonna use, this is the juice that I got from the chicken when it was baking. So you just wanna drain it off the chicken and use it in your gravy. I added about a teaspoon more of the seasoning blend. And then I'm gonna mix that together and let it boil until it's thickened. Then I strain it. After about 7 maximum 10 minutes on boil in the oven, your chicken and potatoes should look something like this. Delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes.